YAHAWAH, BAHASHAM, YAHAWASHI, BAHASHAM, QADASH, the one is the GMS who told me this truth. 2 Thessalonians 2 and 3. Let no man deceive you by any means, for that day shall not come, except there come a falling away first, and that man of sin be revealed, the son of perdition. And Revelation 13 and 15. And he had power to give life unto the image of the beast, that the image of the beast should both speak and cause that as many as would not worship the image of the beast should be killed. So we have a story here which is FDA approves Alzheimer's drug amid safety concerns. So the US Food and Drug Administration has approved the drug, the second ever treatment for Alzheimer's disease, intended to tackle the root of the condition and slow cognitive decline. Researchers welcome the decision, but the excitement is clouded by patient deaths and reports that the FDA acted improperly when approving the first such drug last year, by slowing progression of the disease when taken in the early stages of Alzheimer's. It allows the individual to have more time to participate in daily life and live independently. So the drug sold under the brand name is the first Alzheimer's treatment to slow cognitive decline in a robust clinical trial, and the second to be approved in less than 2 years. It is made by biopharmaceutical companies in Tokyo, Japan, and Cambridge, Massachusetts. So the FDA's decision does not take phase 3 study into account. Biogen and Izaki asked for accelerated approval on the basis of phase 2 data, which they submitted before the latest trial results were announced. The phase 2 trial found that the drug decreased plaques in the brain of 856 patients, but did not assess whether this affected patients' cognitive abilities. This is the same pathway used to approve its predecessor, a similar antibody, also made by Biogen and Izaki. It's unclear what impact that 27% effect will have on the lives of people with Alzheimer's, or whether that effect will persist after 18 months. It could mean, Romain says, an extra 6 months of recognizing a loved one's face or performing a valued activity, but that will require future research, he said. In the meantime, the FDA says the drug is to be only used for people with mild cognitive impairment, the same cohort as in the clinical trial. So the treatment risks. So the president for the National Center for Health Research, a non-profit organization in Washington, D.C., isn't sure that the benefit will be worth the risk. You're dealing with people with mild cognitive impairment who are functioning, and you're putting them at risk, both in terms of their health and finances. So it says that a year of the drug will cost $26,500, so not cheap at all. Shalom.